So here at Sap Spy, one of the common questions we get every single season is, can I use the relay module to start and stop generators, such as this Westinghouse that we see here? Happy to share with you, we now have a solid recommendation on what generator best works with Sap Spy for remote starting and can be paired with any standard relay module. In this particular setup, it could be used for turning on a generator and then turning on a vacuum pump. You can use it for turning on a generator and then maybe a well pump to empty a remote tank. That's saving you time. You don't have to wait for the gas engine style pump. Let's take a closer look. So what you're seeing here is the Westinghouse style generator. Any Westinghouse style generator that is smart switch ready is capable for this functionality. All you need is you purchase the generator yourself, and then we'll provide you the cable and the relay module that you see here and the sensor hub. The advantage of the Smart Switch Ready is it handles the choke along with actuating the starter until it is starting properly. Westinghouse generators, there's a wide variety of different versions. What I have here is the dual fuel module, so it can run off of propane that you see there, as well as just standard unleaded gasoline. In this particular setup, what you'll see is the sensor hub is also plugged into the generator. It's currently online and talking via its internal battery. Once the generator starts up, it'll recharge that internal battery and also tell us if it's powered. So basically tell us that the generator is on. And it also can set up text alerts for if the generator stopped for any reason. What we have here then is the sensor hub, then controls these two relays. Relay number 1 will be used to provide that signal to the generator to start, and then relay number 2 will be used to start this VFD. Once the VFD is running, I'll know, I can check that from this vacuum line connected to our vacuum system. I can measure vacuum and know that the vacuum pump is running. If you don't have a VFD, we also have motor starters available as well. This is, if you have a 3 horsepower, 5 horsepower motor starter, you can use that, or even for a well pump, anything more than a horsepower, use a motor starter like this. These all have manual or auto, so if it's an auto, it can be controlled by the relay module. If it's a manual, you can control it locally here. One other benefit of the Westinghouse style generators that I forgot to mention is it also has a 240 volt outlet. So for that 240 volt pumps, maybe it's a well pump, maybe it's your vacuum pump requires 240. These Westinghouse generators also includes that 240 volt, so it does not require a step up transformer of any sort. Let's take a closer look. All right, now let's see this in action. So the first thing I'll do is use is powered to see if the generator is powered. It is off. So now I'll use relay 1 to turn on the generator. That turned on that first relay there. The generator starting. It's handling its own choke. Now I can say is powered again. So now my generator is running. And I'll use relay number 2 to turn on the vacuum pump. Right now the vacuum pump is powered on. Zero hertz. Relay is off. I will use relay number 2. Turn that on. VFD is now ramping up. Now the advantages here is now I can use vacuum. And now I know my vacuum is fully on. I can always read temperature. I know maybe it's frozen in the woods. I can shut it down. And at this point, I use relay number 2 to turn off my VFD. I just turned it off. It is ramping down. I can now read vacuum again. And my vacuum is now slowly dropping. And at this point too, I can also use relay number 1 to turn off my generator. So overall, this is a great way to save you time running back and forth from the woods, be able to remotely control your generator, vacuum pumps, well pumps, all through Sap Spy, all from your mobile phone. Reach out with more questions.